Good morning, all of you. Today, I, Ravindra Mohan Misra, is taking the class of Shastri second year. Today, my learning is about paragraph writing. Paragraph writing is a very technical writing. We should have to write one paragraph which is of 10 marks. It is very important according to my opinion. The paragraph future of English. Future of English for the coming examination may be very important. Future English has great future in India because of globalization. It may be said to be the link language of the country in such a situation. English today is spoken nearly all around the world. For this point of view, English is known as world language. It is too new but too popular due to its simplicity. English is spoken over a much larger area of the world than other languages. Indeed, there is hardly any country in the world which does not use English as mother tongue, second language, and foreign language. It is a language of science and technology. It is also a language of learning and communication. English is used in many fields than most other ancient and modern languages. It played an important role in our fight against the British. It brought different people belonging to different religion and speaking different languages on one platform. The English has great future in India because India is economically a rising country. All recent inventions and discoveries are found in the books of English. The knowledge of English is indispensable in market economy for creating international trade and marketing. English has generated employment in India. Thousands of call centers require employees who have knowledge of English. Some good feature of English make it very easy to read and understand the text of modern period. The language looks easy because of its alien spelling, familiar vocabulary, and totally uh, easy grammatical structure. The writing system of English is very different from today. In the olden time, when the Anglo-Saxon came to England, they used a system of writing which was runic alphabet. The runic characters were composed of sharp straight lines without curves. Many of these letters are found on weapons. It is in this way become a universal language. We may also conclude it future of English because English is a window of the world. It becomes very popular not in India, all over the world. That is why it becomes an international language, and in this way the future of English in India is very bright. If we adopt it, we can earn both money and prestige. English is a prestigious language to speak. It is a renowned fame, a scholarly skill for the person who adopt, and by this he may perfect he may be perfect in their career and in their life. Good. This changes reduce English from a highly inflected language on an analytical one. It reflected quite accurately the changing futures of English